Good. I'm on YouTube and yeah, we're on the way to gate line. Yeah, it has already started. Okay, fine. And let's see how. Fine. Okay, okay. I think the audio quality is also fine. So we don't need to worry about this. Okay, so yeah, and as you can see, we'll be doing a project review. Okay, so before we start, I need several things to complete. Okay, just hold on. Hold on, hold on. Yeah, okay. Hope everyone is joining the stream. Okay, and yeah, guys, make sure to comment. Okay, I'm adding that too. We'll be pinning that. So I think you guys have gotten the idea already. Today we're going to do a project review, okay? And the name of this project is Industry Sonic. Okay, so mm, the name itself is amazing. Okay, so in this stream and in our today's stream, definitely we'll be revealing everything related to Industry Sonic. Okay, and yeah, as it is a Gateway Startup initial free offering, definitely we'll be discussing what is Gateway Startup and how you can actually participate on Gateway Startup. Okay, and later we'll be discussing how actually you can earn through inviting your friends and family. Okay, so yeah, we'll be discussing everything and we'll reveal everything soon. Okay, so insert coin uh, has given the emoji of cool. Okay, yeah, I understand. I I understood your position. Okay, so yeah, the market is bullish. Okay, so but we'll be focusing more on this project. Okay, in today's live stream. So let's focus on this project. Okay, so as it is a Gateway Startup initial pre-offering. Okay, so definitely you don't have to pay for anything in this project. Okay, so you can actually participate in this project just free of cost. Okay, and moreover you can actually participate it definitely you can participate without any fund, but yes, there is a requirement. Okay, so you guys need to actually hold at least 10 USD in your spot account. Okay, so that you can be eligible for this project or other startup projects. Okay, so yes, this criteria will be the same for all the startup projects. Okay, so make sure to hold at least 10 USD in your spot accounts. Okay, And other than that, you can participate on most of the startup projects without free of cost, just free of cost. You don't have to pay for anything. So in this project, you can see like their target was around only 40,000 USDT. Okay, so in reality, they actually raised around 240 million. Okay, so their target was only 40,000 USDT, but they raised around 240 million. That is huge. Okay, that is huge, and you can see the progress bar here. Okay, so the progress is like 1600,000, 34.60%. Okay, that is huge. And get user is saying something in Arabic. Okay, buddy, I can pronounce Arabic, but I cannot read Arabic. Okay, so that is one kind of limitation to me. Okay, so uh, have my apologies. Okay, so in case you know English, you can write your thoughts in English. Okay, because currently the translator is not working, I guess. So here you can see the support account. Okay, so the support account is around 83,509. Okay, so that is also huge. Okay, so compared to other startup projects, the numbers are greater. Okay, so here you can see available shares and token receipts are pending for me. Okay, currently my BIP level is at 0, and yeah, here you can see my available shares are based on lucky draw. Okay, so I guess you have gotten the idea. If you're a non-BIP user, that means your BIP level will be 0. Okay, so if you are a non-BIP user, then you will be placed in a lucky draw system, and definitely you must need to hold at least 10 USD in your spot account. And yes, on that lucky draw, the system will decide, and the system will actually pick some of you, and those who are placed in a lucky draw. And yes, if you are lucky enough, you will be getting shares. Okay, and come based on your shares, you will be getting tokens. Okay, so later you can sell, hold, everything you can do. Okay, that's your choice. And around after 3 hours, it will launch. Okay, so yes, we have not that much time left. Okay, so we'll be covering everything very soon. Okay, so as fast as we can. So yes, you guys need to be a fast learner in that case. Uh, okay, so as always, we start from the project introduction. Okay, so you guys have some idea as well, those who are old here. Okay, old viewers of mine. So here you can see the name is Industry Sonic. Okay, and the token name is INSN. Okay, and Fatih says all right and gave me a like. Okay, thanks. And you guys can actually react. Okay, the react button is actually situated at the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay, so you can simply click on it, and you can click multiple times. Okay, so there is no limitation, just click on unlimited times. And yes, I guess there is a limit as well, so until you reach the limit, just click. Okay. This is kind of fun to me, funny thing as well. Okay, so okay, let's focus on this project. Okay, so as you can see, the project name is INS Industry Sonic, and the token name is, and their I guess their identifying token name is INSN. Okay, and here is a short introduction of this project. Okay, so let's see what is written inside here. Okay, so here you can see Industry Sonic is a project that will be operated with the aim of leasing virtual GPUs. Fine enough, and providing more AI services, this platform facilitates the easy creation and monetization of AI agents in a plug and play manner. This is so promising, by the way. They are actually leasing virtual GPUs. Okay, so Basically, you can lease, you can take some virtual GPUs on lease, and yes, you can use them. You can simply use them. And by enhancing the integrity and usability of data within blockchain applications, Industry Sonic supports the development and deployment of AI-driven solutions across various industries. So yeah, the introduction says everything, okay? And that was one of the reason why the participants are huge here, okay? So yes, here's the founder, okay, Edward Go. So let's see what are the details of this founder, Edward Go. So here we can see his technical expertise. His technical expertise are like as technical director at UB Ventures, and he gained valuable experience in technical operations and development. Okay, fine. So he is the technical director at UB Ventures. Okay, so and his business development is like contributed to business growth at WizQO. Private Limited in 2024, focusing on strategic market expansion. Okay, so he has multiple skills. Okay, so definitely is the real deal here. Okay, so that's why he could bring up this idea of virtual GPUs in the name of Industry Sonic. Okay, so yes, let's see. And here you can see the information for startup. Okay, so definitely startup purchase price 0 USDT. As I said earlier, you don't have to pay for anything, uh, or you don't have to buy anything here. Okay, so here we can see the startup supply are around 2,666,667 INSN. Okay, so the number is huge. Okay, let's see how the price becomes. And here the unlock rule is 100% unlock as always. We have seen all the startup initial fees are actually 100% unlock. So here is the highlight and vision. Okay, so yeah, we need to know that. So let's read. Industry Sonic offers a decentralized platform for GPU rentals. Okay, empowering users with affordable access to computational power for AI, data processing, and gaming. It features blockchain-based transparency, staking for network security, and governance for user-driven decision making. The ecosystem incentivizes GPU providers and developers with INSN tokens and provides access to advanced AI analytics, data verification, and an AI model marketplace, fostering innovation and scalability. Okay, so there are so many promising things around. Okay, so yes, their vision and highlight obviously are top notch. Okay, so here you can see the token economics. You can see that INSN tokens enable GPU rentals, staking for network security, and governance participation. Fine, yes, you guys can, those who are holding, I guess, I mean, those who will be holding that INSN tokens, so they can actually participate in the governance decisions. Okay, so yes, you can actually decide what will do, what will happen in this company. Okay, so that is one of the powers you will hold just by holding that token. Okay, so token holders access premium AI services while developers are incentivized through grants. This creates a dynamic ecosystem fostering collaboration, innovation, and token demand within the Industry Sonic platform. So that is huge. Okay, that is huge. And here's the technical overview as well. Okay, so let's see what is inside. So the Industry Sonic platform leverages blockchain technology to facilitate decentralized GPU rentals. Okay, ensuring secure, transparent transactions via smart contracts. Okay, It integrates tagging mechanisms for network security, governance capabilities, and advanced AI services, creating a scalable, resource-efficient ecosystem for AI and computational needs. Okay, so the promising thing here is that those who are the token holders will have the premium AI services. Okay, so yes, right now AI is the future. Okay, so definitely it will bring up something. Okay, so here in the comment section, Foiter said, uh, just giving some emojis. Okay, so he's just drinking, I guess. So, buddy, cheers, cheers. Let's drink together. And a gate user says, should you hold or sell? Uh, okay, I know you just clicked on the default question. Okay, so let's answer this question within the context. Okay, so definitely, if you hold, you'll be getting uh, good benefits. Okay, so yes, holding will be the only option. And if you do not hold, I mean, you're missing the premium AI services for like on INSN. Okay, so obviously, if you are holding some of the tokens, definitely you can actually access the premium AI services on Industry Sonic platform. Okay, so here is the token allocation. Okay, so it is a short introduction. Let's see. The token sale for token sale, and they kept around 15%. Okay, so there will be 1 month clip, linear vesting over 12 months. Okay, and ecosystem partners are like for ecosystem partners they kept like 15%. Okay, so at TGE, the unlock amount will be 6.67%, and linear vesting over 36 months. So the rest will unlock over 36 months. So, and here you can see INS and DAO, I mean DAO. Okay, so for that they kept around 15%. Okay, so and at TGE only 6.67% will be unlocked. Okay, and linear vesting over 24 months. So here you can see the months are fewer than the previous one. Okay, so they kept around 20%, 25% for the reserve. Okay, so at TGE only 4% will be unlocked, and the rest will be vesting over 24 months. Okay, so it is linear vesting as well. Okay, and community reviewers are only 30%. Okay, so yes, that's enough. Okay, it is also fine. It's also fine, and their company, their protocol, everything is also fine. So yes, if they revert to the community, it will be enough. Okay, so obviously, my suggestion will be towards the community will be like, yes, you guys need to hold, okay, and support that this project. Okay, and yes, you guys actually getting benefits if you are holding tokens. So uh if you only just if you want to the use the premium AI services, you can actually hold. Okay, and other than that you can actually participate in governance decisions, and yes, you can actually rent rent GPUs. Okay, you can actually lend GPUs. So you can if you are a GPU provider. Okay, so and yes, if you want GPUs, so yes, if you want virtual GPUs, you can actually lend, yeah, you can actually borrow, sorry, you can actually borrow from them. So that's what they said. And yes, at token generation event, only 6.67% will be unlocked. Okay, and linear vesting over 54 months. Okay, yeah, community. Okay, fine enough. So that was a short introduction on Industry Sonic. Okay. Uh, so okay. I know there are a lot of beginners and newcomers in our stream. Okay, so yes, you guys may be wondering what is going around. Okay, so what is going on, and you are wondering what is that thing actually. Okay, that thing is actually GitHub startup GitHub startup program. Okay, so yes, on GitHub startup you will find lots of airdrop opportunities. Okay, so it is just a program from Gate.io. Okay, so to reward its users. Okay, so let's find out what is Gate.io startup. Okay, and how you can actually participate in Gate.io startup. So to begin with, okay, here are the questions. Okay, so yes, the first and foremost question for the newcomers or the beginners will be, what is startup? Yes, startup is basically your initiative towards a small thing. Okay, and here on Gate.io it is a different one. So let's see. Gate.io startup is the world's largest token launch platform where users can discover potential projects, participate in startup subscription, and receive token airdrops. Startup allocates tokens to users based on a share system. Eligible users can claim a certain number of shares. The more shares you can claim, the more tokens you receive. Okay, so and there is in addition, I'll be saying that the higher the baby level you are holding, yes, your shares will be increased based on that, and the higher the shares, the higher the tokens as well. Okay. I think somebody said something. Okay, those are in Arabic. So, and Wing Chun says, should we wait or buy now? Yeah, buddy, I guess you missed the flow. The buying period has already started 2 days ago. Okay, so let's focus on this project. Okay, and we were saying like about PayP free elder. Okay, here's the first question, like, how can I be eligible to participate in startups? Okay, so to answer that, they said like all users participating in startup subscription are required to complete KYC to verification and hold a balance of spot assets with not less than 10 USD. I said that earlier, okay? So I said that thing at the beginning of our stream, okay? So here's the idea. And how many shares can I place? Here you can see, like if you're the PAP0, that means you are a non-PAP user. Okay, simply you will be placed in a lucky draw system, and yes, if you're lucky enough, you'll be getting shares. Okay, you'll be getting lucky shares, and yes, based on your shares, you'll be getting corresponding tokens. And from BAB1, the guaranteed amount starts. Okay, so for BAB1, it is like 20. Okay, so you'll be getting 20 shares if you are at BAB1, and at maximum, like from BAB10 to BAB16, you'll be getting around 8,000 shares. Okay, so that is huge. Definitely, that is huge. So make sure to increase your VIP level. Mm, Arifan says hi. Welcome to the stream, buddy. Hello. Okay. So how many tokens can I receive? Okay, so there is a formula. You can see token received equals to share subscribed multiplied by tokens per share multiplied by distribution ratio. Okay. So, for example, you can see here's the example there. So, if you subscribe for 5 shares and tokens per share is 1000, while the distribution ratio of startup is 0.001. So, you can receive like 10 multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 0.001. So, it's equal to actually 10 tokens. So, you'll be getting only 10 tokens. And obviously, to get the distribution ratio of the startup, definitely look for the official announcement. Okay, do not believe others. And Charisma, welcome to the stream. Says, what is the current market sentiment? Yes, I'll be saying it is bullish. Okay, and yes, today we are doing project review. Okay, and it is on Industry Sonic. And Charisma says, good morning. Yeah, buddy, good morning. Okay, have a good day. Have a good day. And here's the next question is like, do I need to pay for the startup subscription? Are there any trading fees charged? The answer is clearly no. Okay, so if I have subscribed, am I guaranteed to receive tokens in the end? So if you are a VIP user, that means your VIP starts from level 1. So if you are at least at VIP level 1, definitely you will be getting guaranteed tokens. So in case you are a non-VIP user, that means your VIP level is 0. You'll be placed in a lucky draw system, and based on your luck, okay, you'll be getting shares. Okay, and Gate user says good morning. Yeah, buddy. And GT nice moment. Okay, yes, yes, GT nice moment. Should we wait or buy now? The buying period has already begun 2 days ago. Okay, so now you are asking. You are too late. You are just too late. I'm just kidding. Just look at the market and analyze this something. Analyze your preferred coin and find out the way. Okay. And here's the next question is like, is the startup participation on a first come first serve basis? The answer is clearly no. They actually treat everyone equally. Okay, so you'll be treated equally with the others. So do I need to keep a sufficient balance in my account to participate in startup? No, it is absolutely free. So on VIP free airdrop, definitely you don't have to pay anything. Okay, but obviously you need to keep at least 10 USD in your spot account. Okay, to be eligible. How many times can I participate in startup? For one startup, you can only participate once. Okay, and yeah, obviously your account should be KYC verified. Okay, and when will I get startup tokens? Okay, before the launch. The answer is before the launch. And if my baby level is upgraded after subscription, will I receive more airdrops? Okay, here's the answer. If the baby level increases, the subscription shares at the time of subscription will be used for calculation. Okay, so simple answer. And can I change my subscription shares? Okay, now you cannot currently because baby shares are uh, at maximum level. Okay, so to get more shares, just increase your baby level. Okay, so that thing you can actually easily do. And how much airdrop can non-baby users receive when participating in startup? uh okay. A non-baby user definitely will be placed in a lucky draw system, and based on his or her luck, he'll be getting corresponding shares. Okay, and you can see everything in the purchase history tab. Okay, just go there and see whether you have won or lost. Okay, so can non-baby users use startup vouchers to participate in startup? Yeah, definitely. And can non-baby users participate in startup airdrop multiple times? Yes, even simultaneously. Okay, so here's the another thing like about GT holder exclusive airdrop. Okay, so it is pretty much same as the VIP free airdrop, but here are some differences. Okay, so we'll be discussing this in shortly. Okay, so the key differences are like you must need to hold GT. Okay, so as the as the thing is hidden inside the name. Like you must need to hold GT, and if you are holding more than 10 GT, your airdrop is guaranteed, okay? But if you are holding less than 10 GT, and you must need to ensure that you are holding at least 10 USD in your spot account, and you will be placed in a lucky draw system, okay? And if you are not holding at least 10 USD, you will be not placed in a lucky draw system, okay? So obviously make sure you are holding at least 10 USD in your spot account. And here you can see these are the questions same as baby free job, okay? So mm, okay, how many shares can I claim? Okay, here's this is pretty same, okay, same as the previous one. And yes, there's a cap 3000 shares per project, okay, so the cap is 3000 shares per project. And then Shane, welcome to the stream, and you are asking what is the entry level for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Buddy, we're doing a project review, okay? So in case you are pretty much interested, we'll be conducting a regular live stream on market analysis, okay? So make sure to join there, okay? So we'll be discussing everything there. Uh, what is going on the market, okay? Going on into the market. And how many tokens can I receive? Okay, so the formula is basically same. Token received equals to shares subscribed multiplied by tokens per share multiplied by distribution ratio. Okay, so will my token allocation decrease if my GT holding at the time of token distribution is lower than it was at the time of participation? Yes. And if I have participated, am I guaranteed to receive tokens in the end? So if you are holding more than 10 GT, you are guaranteed to get airdrop. And if you're holding less than 10 GT, you'll be placed in a lucky draw. Okay. So if you're lucky enough, you'll be getting shares. And can I use startup vouchers or startup stars to participate in GT holders exclusive free airdrop? No, because it is only available for VIP free airdrop. Okay. So when will I know the results of my subscription? Yeah, before the launch. And other thing it is pre-order. Okay, so here you can see the idea that for pre-order you'll be ordering previously, okay? So definitely it is actually a paid thing, okay? So you must need to pay, and yeah, you'll see the requirements here, okay? So the first requirement is like your VIP level should be at 3, okay? Must your VIP level should be at least at 3. And after that, another requirement is like you must need to hold at least 100 GT, okay? And Plato, welcome to the stream. So this will be the criteria for only BP3, okay? So that you can get around 100 shares, okay? So this the requirements changes according to the BP level, okay? So I will be saying it only increases, okay? And at BP 10 to BP 16, you must need to hold at least 1500 GT, okay, so that you can actually pre-order around 8000 shares, okay? So yes, obviously that is huge, that is also huge. So do I need to pay for the pre-order? Definitely. So make sure you have enough balance in your spot account, okay? So once pre-order successfully, can I cancel it? uh okay, so you can actually cancel it, but if the time falls under 24 hour before the launch, yeah, you cannot cancel. But other than that, you can actually cancel at any time. And here's the another thing, like if a project has not issued tokens for about 3 years from the pre-order date, users can submit a cancellation request on the pre-order page, okay? So yes, you will be getting your amount or money within 7 working days, okay? RXW9, welcome to the stream, okay? And if a project has not issued tokens for over 5 years from the pre-order date, yes, you'll be getting the full refund within 7 working days as well. Okay. And in case of project failure, the full pre-order deposit will be refunded to all participants for accounts within 7 working days. Okay, so these are the things, and yes, you can actually relate these things. And here is the premium thing. Okay, here is the premium thing, and the name is Startup Prime. Okay, so definitely it's a paid service. What is Startup Prime? Startup Prime is an exclusive paid subscription service. Okay, hold on. I need to set the rest packets. Hold on. Okay, fine enough. And gate user says thank you. Yes, buddy, you are welcome. And Tension is keeping saying that any coins to recommend. Yes, currently we're doing a project review on industry coin, so I'll be recommending only industry coin right now. Okay, nothing other than that. And do I need to keep a sufficient balance in my account to participate in Startup Prime? Definitely, it is a paid service, so obviously you must need to keep a sufficient balance in your account. Okay. So, what are the requirements to participate in Startup Prime? Definitely, you must need to complete KYC to verification, and yeah, you must need to hold at least 10 USD in your spot account to be eligible. Okay. And Wing Chun says, market outlook today. I'll be saying bullish. Okay, so how many USDT holdings are required to participate in Startup Prime? Okay, so this thing basically changes from project to project. Okay, so must pay attention to the official announcements. Okay, so how many shares can I subscribe? Here is a table. Okay, so if you are a non-VIP user, you can actually subscribe for at most 5 shares. Okay, and if your PB level is in between 10 to 16, definitely you can actually subscribe for 8,000 shares. Okay. And here is the last question for Startup Prime is, can I cancel my subscription? Currently it is not available. Okay. So this is all about Gateway Startup and its programs. Okay. So like VIP free airdrops, GT holder exclusive airdrop, pre-order, Startup Prime. Okay, so everything we have covered so far. Uh, and here is a tutorial. Okay, so we all need that. Those who are newcomers, those who are beginners, yes, this thing is for you. Okay, so I'll be describing that. Okay, here you can see Journal Startup Airdrop. For General Startup Airdrop, you can just simply log into your GitHub account, go to startup page, hold at least 10 USD in spot assets, and then you will find an option like zero free to claim. Okay, just click on it. Yes, uh, you are good to go. And for GT holder exclusive airdrop, log into your GitHub account, go to startup page, hold at least 10 GT, and click on hold GT and claim. Okay, so this is basically the similar thing. Okay, sorry about that. And participation guide for web users, that means from PC you can find this. Okay, and you'll find the startup here. Okay, so let's just click on it, and here you can see the airdrop logo beside startup. Okay, just click on it and it will redirect you to that page. Okay, and here you can see a lot of projects there. Okay, And yeah, and if you see that, and you'll find that zero free to claim, okay, just click on it, and you'll find the option to that I have read and agreed to the subscription agreement. Then you can actually claim, okay, so make sure to tick that. And for GT holder exclusive, you'll find this option like a whole GT and claim free, okay. And obviously for that one, you also need to tick on that you have read and agreed to the subscription agreement. Obviously, you can take your time to read that, okay. It's your, you have that freedom. And the app users, for the app users, it is so easy, okay. So just go to the finance section from your app, and you'll find the startup logo, okay. Just click on it, and you'll find the same thing as the web version, okay. So just click on claim free airdrop, and you'll find that option like zero free to claim. Just click on it. Yes, you are enrolled, okay. So let's see. Okay, here you can see that on obot, you can just, I can just click on zero free to claim, okay. So here you will find option, okay, that I'll be ticking that, okay. So if I do not tick that, I will not be able to claim, okay. So I'm ticking that, and here you can see that option is appearing, okay. So just click on zero free to claim, and yes, you are enrolled, and I subscribe to that easily, so easily, okay. And okay, where we at? Okay, we're at this. So okay, so obviously tick on it, and then claim on. So, and yes, you can actually get your results just by clicking on subscription history, and here you will find all the details, okay. And these are the features like claim all, okay. So this claim all feature is so useful, okay. So sometimes you'll find that there are a lot of airdrops ongoing, okay. There are a lot of startup projects ongoing, so you want to participate on every one of them, okay. You want to participate every one of them, but you have that time complexity. So you will do what? You will just click on claim all, and it will actually subscribe. It will actually subscribe to all the available startup projects, okay. So okay, for example, I'll be showing everything, okay. So let's say I'm clicking on claim all, okay. So here you will see I have subscribed like 3 projects just by one click. So that is an handy project, okay. I mean handy option, okay. So it is an useful one as well. So just click on claim all. Yes, you will be claiming all the valid or eligible projects, okay, for you. And for phone, it is also available as well, okay. So on your mobile application, you will find that option as well, okay. And there is another thing, another feature is auto convert to GT, and it is one of the most useful features, okay. So every time you are getting tokens from startup, okay. So what happens, like yes, many those tokens are new, basically those tokens are new. So at the time of launch, definitely it actually faces the huge drop, price drop. So what happens, uh, you are holding so many coins, but because of the selling pressure, you will be in loss. But here is an option, here is a handy option like auto convert to GT. So it will do what, it will directly convert the holdings, I mean the tokens you are getting from startup. So uh, what will it do actually? It will actually convert all the tokens, uh, and the price will be the price will be the price of initial launch, okay. So here is the key point. So if the price drops, nothing happens. So basically it will convert your tokens beforehand. So it is one of the handy features, and I love that. Okay. So on the web, you can just find it. Just click on more, and you'll find autoconvert to GT. And on your phone, just click on the three dot. Okay, three dot, and you'll find autoconvert to GT option as well. Okay. So so this is all about Gateway Startup and how you can actually participate on Gateway Startup. Okay, and here you can see Industry Sonic. Okay, and it is the official announcement. Okay, it is the official announcement. So let's find out what is going on here. And you can see Gateway has launched the startup project free airdrop program in order to reward users. As I said earlier, free airdrops for potential blockchain projects will be launched in startup from time to time, where users can get a variety of tokens via airdrop benefits. Users' participation funds will not be deducted for startup project in Industry Sonic free airdrop. Okay, so yes, it is absolutely free. Okay, and how to participate? Here are the simple three steps. Okay, the first one is like log into your GitHub account, complete KYC to verification. The step two is like hold no less than 10 USD on spot asset. And the final step is like click zero free to claim. And we have seen this thing on our previous page. And in this is Sonic startup participation rules. Okay, here is the duration. Okay, 4 a.m. December 24th to 4 a.m. December 26th. Okay, and the order placed by qualified users within the subscription period will be treated equally. Okay, and the trading start time is 8 a.m. December 26th. Okay, and the trading pair is INSN USDT. Okay, fine. We got so many information. Okay, and fundraising goal was around 40,000 USD, but they actually raised around 240 million USDT. Okay, so there are a lot of differences. I mean, the difference of their goal and the gain is so high. And the startup supply, that is huge. And the unlocking rule is 100% unlock. And participation requirements are like complete KYC verification, and the value of spot asset balance held is not less than 10 USD. As I said earlier, obviously to be eligible, you must need to hold at least 10 USDT or 10 USD worth of other coins. Okay. And startup participation rules. Okay, let's see. The higher the baby level, the more startup airdrop shares can be claimed. Let's say earlier. Okay, and you can this is referred to that announcement. Okay, so we'll be reading that later on. And non-baby users, okay, definitely non-baby users will be placed in a lucky draw system. Okay, based on your luck, you'll be getting tokens. And the third thing is like the user's baby level will be checked when the tokens are distributed. Okay, fine enough. And results will be published before the launch. We know that. And yes, that thing is the important one. Okay, get that thing is the important one. So the multiple accounts with the same KYC information when claiming startup shares will be deemed as cheating behavior. Okay, fine. And any cheating behavior is prohibited. In case of cheating, Gateway reserves the right to disqualify the users involved and forfeit their rewards. Okay, and yes, you guys can get an idea for different VIP levels from this website. Okay, we'll be discussing that website later on. Okay. And yes, we have seen the participation tutorial at that. Okay, how you can actually participate. So here's a short project introduction. Okay, so the information below is provided by Industry Sonic team, and please follow the website for more information. Obviously, we'll be visiting their website and we'll be reading the white paper as well. Okay, so let's read out. Industry Sonic is a project that will be operated with the aim of leasing virtual GPUs and providing more AI services. This platform facilitates the easy creation and monetization of AI agents in a plug-and-play manner by enhancing the integrity and usability of data within blockchain application. Industry Sonic supports the development and deployment of AI-driven solutions across various industries. Okay, fine enough. And here are the more details. Okay, you can see token name is Industry Sonic and token symbol is INSN. Maximum supply is 2 billion. Okay, so the maximum supply is only 2 billion. Okay, it is huge. And the token type is BP20. Okay, so yes, they're on Binance Smart Chain. And here is the token contract. So let's see what is the token contract at BSC scan. Sorry, you can see it. You can see the token name is registered here. Okay, Industry Sonic. And max total supply is around 2 billion INSN and holders are only 7. Okay, yes, and the number will be increased after the launch, definitely. And total transfers are 10 only because the holders are only 7. Okay, it will be changed very soon. After 3 hours or 8 hours, it will be changed very soon. Okay, so let's wait for the right time. And here is the token distribution unlock rules. We have read that at the beginning of our introduction. And yes, for more details, refer to that page. It is their white paper basically, and this is the website, and this is the white paper link. So let's visit their official website, and it is amazing. Okay, it is amazing. You can see unleashing innovation where AI meets blockchain. Fine. So the industry leader that is driving the change of the AI infrastructure industry, and this is the answer of that question, like why we are. Yes, and here you can see mission statement, platform description, team expertise, core values. So for mission statement, it is like Industry is dedicated to revolutionizing the landscape of AI-driven applications. And their platform description is like we provide virtual GPU, scalable blockchain AI platform. And then team expertise are our team of experts combines deep industry knowledge. And core values are we prioritize innovation and reliability in every aspect of our ecosystem. Okay, and yes, the organizing part is so amazing. Here you can see the team Industry Sonic Special Force, a nice one. And Edward Go is the founder, I guess, and here are the specialization expertise. Okay, and other than that, there are two of them. One is Ryan Mitchell, okay, and the other guy is Samantha Roberts, okay. So I guess she is a lady. Okay, so she is a lady member of this team, the leadership team, okay. And here you can see there is a code of model as a service and explore a range of services designed to leverage Industry Sonic's AI Sonic platform. Okay, fine. And those are the AI models, our flagship platform for deploying and customizing AI agents. Okay, you can see model selection, testing and validation, then integration. Fine. Industry Sonic works special team. Okay, here you can see Victor's Capital, Summit Invest. Okay, so Alpha Token Capital, Sky Trading, Certic, BNB Chain. So those are the investors, okay, And how to use, learn how to harness the power of Intersonic. You can see flexible GPU model set, okay, and full GPU instance details check, fine. Select GPU location set. Oh, and these are the available locations. You can see United States, UAE, Japan, China, Europe. Okay, so I guess this is the end of their website. I guess more information can be gained from their white paper. Okay, so it is their white paper, Industristronic white paper version 1.0. Okay, so here is this short introduction. Here is a short introduction. Okay, and you can see in this Sonic white paper, okay, we enhance capabilities through distributed cloud computing for global innovation and seamless AI model deployment. Our global presence ensures the users from all backgrounds can utilize our platform to lead innovation and achieve success. Join us on this exciting journey as we explore the remarkable potential of Industry Sonic together, paving the way towards a smarter and more connected world. So, okay, so for more details, just visit this white paper, okay? So, I'll be covering the key points here, okay? Because I have the time limitation as well. So, here in the introduction, you can see industry sonic solution, okay? First one is platform, then technology, then benefits. And the AI Sonic is based on the purpose, has the purpose and functionality, and in the end, it has an impact as well. Okay, so introduction to Industry Sonic. So we have read that on multiple times on their website, on the startup project page. Okay, so purpose of goals of Industry Sonic. So yes, these are clear. Okay, you can see first one is improve data integrity, then foster machine learning innovation, fine. Then it comes create a reward system, reward ecosystem, okay. It is also fine. Ensure transparency and trust, yes, that is one of the thing the community need, okay. So obviously the community need the transparency and trust, okay. So make sure of it. And Wing Chun says, should we short now? No. And the last one is enhance market accessibility. Okay. Without enhancing that, you cannot actually expand anything in business, particularly in business. And here you can see the system architecture of Industry Sonic. So first one is data layer. Then it comes model management interface and reward system, validation and arbitration layer. That's it. So just that's it. And INSN coin, okay, so it is one of the unique names, okay. And gate user says something in his language, but yes, I'm having tough times reading that. I cannot understand your knowledge, okay. And hello world.io says hi. Yeah, buddy, welcome to the stream. And by the way, guys, good morning, okay. So here we can see transaction processing, network incentives, governance participation. So these are the benefits of having INSN coin. Okay, so let's see the purpose of INSN. So obviously, first of all, the first purpose is virtual GPU. Then it comes incentives. And then yes, if you are holding tokens, yes, definitely you will be a part of the governance as well. And yeah, you can stack. By stacking you can earn more. So economic design of INSN, okay, you can see there are three steps, easy steps. First one is long-term engagement, then network security, then it comes fair distribution of incentives. Okay, so that is the thing a community actually expect from any project. Okay, and initial allocations are like developers, early investors, node operators, and reserve funds. Okay, ecosystem utilization of INSN. Okay, so they mention like various services like deployment and utilization of AI models, purchase of competing resources, interactions with DMs. Fine. So here is the architecture. I'm just reading the key points. Just you guys can actually have an minimal idea of it. Okay, that's what I'm doing here right now. And yes, this is the overview. You can read that. And core components of industry sonic architecture. Okay, data integrity, validation, user incentives, design principles. Okay, these are the four core components of industry sonic architecture. And it is the data layer in industry sonic. Okay, so data upload and storage, data validation. That's it. And the model management interface is like model submission, model testing and benchmarking, then version control and updates. That's it for the model management interface in Industry Sonic. After that, it comes reward system in Industry Sonic. Okay, yes, it is what we need. So first one is like data contributors. And yes, guys, hold on. I'll be giving red packets. Okay, hold on. So here you can see the reward system. Okay, so the first one is data contributors. They will be rewarded. Model developers and tuners. Okay, they will also be rewarded. GPU providers. Yes, you are welcome. Then it comes verification and arbitration layer in Industry Sonic. Okay, so first one is verification layer. Then it comes arbitration layer. Okay, then it comes monitoring and feedback loop. Okay, that's it. The three things. Okay, so overview of storage nodes in Industry Sonic. So they are like data redundancy and availability. Okay, fine. Secure data storage, data retrieval. Okay, these are the key things here. So operations of storage nodes. So here you can see the operations of storage nodes in Industry Sonic are structured to ensure straightforward participation by node operators while upholding network health and data integrity. Okay, so here you can see the node setup, the continuous synchronization. That's it. And there is a reward system for storage nodes. Okay, so data maintenance rewards, special incentives. Fine. Then it comes the integration into Industry Sonic network. So efficient data flow, network health monitoring, updates and maintenance. Okay. Yes, updates and maintenance are one of the important things for any project. Okay, to keep things with the current world. And AI Sonic overview. Here is another overview. Okay, you can see model selection and customization. Under these are okay, so model selector, customizer, incentivization. Okay, and for integration blockchain, it is Web3 Copilot, account abstraction. Fine. So model testing and validators in AI Sonic. So they are testing procedures, a role of validators and rewards, and usage-based rewards structure in AI Sonic. First of all, it's based on the data usage rewards, then model usage rewards. That's it. And these are the basic info of INSN. Okay, so we have read that on our previous page, okay, the page of the beginning. So utility of INSN token in industry sonics. These are the key features. Okay, GPU providers and AI service rewards, stacking and network security, governance, developer incentives, access to services. Okay, fine. And these are the reward systems: validator rewards, developer incentives, user rewards. That's it. An annual vesting schedule for INSN token. So here you can get that idea. Okay, so I have given the link. You can just read that easily. And core team members. Okay, so we have read the name on their website. Okay, so let's repeat that. Edward Go, Ryan Mitchell, Samantha Roberts, Matthew Turner. Okay, so four of them are the core team members. And industry sonic roadmap. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, so first their first target was only uh, platform development, and after that they focused on business development, and later on October to December they actually focused on platform advancement, and after that they expand their business. And AI Sonic roadmap, year one, 2024 to 2025. Okay, so for phase one, they will be doing a prototype development. Okay, and phase two will be alpha testing and iteration. Phase three will be beta testing and feature freeze. Okay, so they have the plan for 2025 to 2026, and it will be phase four official launch and early enhancements. Okay, fine. And for phase five, they have continuous improvement and growth. Okay, let's see. So, yes, they have predicted so many things, and this is the legal disclaimer. Okay, so in case you miss anything, just read that. Okay, so we have covered their official website and the white paper as well. So we got a huge amount of details on them. Okay, so here we can see Gateway Labs private sale participation disclosure. Gateway Labs has not invested in Industry Sonic. Okay, so you guys need to know that. And here the attention. Okay, please be noted that we may restrict or prohibit the use of all or a portion of the services, including the participation in this event, game, or competition from restricted locations, including but not limited to the United Kingdom, the United States of America, mainland China, Singapore, Canada, France, Germany, Hong Kong, Lithuania, Malaysia, Malta, Cuba, Iran, North Korea, Sudan, Syria, Crimea region, Spain, Luhansk, Donetsk, Netherlands, Bolivia, and so on. My goodness, there are a lot of countries. Okay, so and they wrote like we may in our sole and absolute discretion elect to make these services or only part of the services available in certain jurisdictions. For more information regarding the restricted locations, please read the user agreement. Okay, so you guys can click on it and read that. Okay, we do not intend to solicit or conduct marketing towards customers in such restricted locations. So if you're facing that, definitely you're facing some scammers. Okay, so these are the risk warnings. Okay, the project team does not guarantee that the token price will not be lower than its startup sale price. Please invest with caution, okay, and don't invest beyond your financial capacity. So that thing is true for every investment in crypto, okay. So they gave a huge code here, okay. This code has deep meaning. The startup project is still in its initial stage. Factors including the operation and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risk. Okay, definitely. And the market volatility is high. The price of a token might fluctuate just drastically due to technical and regulatory and marketing factors. Okay, so users may not be able to withdraw all the purchase tokens due to technical issues of the project or GitHub team themselves. And here is a short requirements for the participants. Okay, you can see the participants should register on GitHub and log in. After logging in, complete your identity verification. Then deposit a certain amount of cryptocurrencies in your GitHub account. Sign the purchase agreement and on startup before placing orders. Okay, so that's it. This is so simple as it looks. And this is the startup new rule. This is the startup rule for updated things. Okay, so here you can see that main updates in startup participation rules for VIP users. You can see that for airdrop projects after subscription, sufficient balance is not required anymore before token distribution. Okay, and users who upgrade to VIP levels by holding assets will have their VIP level verified during token distribution, and the final allocation they receive will be determined by their VIP level at the time of distribution. Okay, so that's it. And here you can see the rules for non-VIP users participating in startup. Okay, obviously if you're non-VIP users, this thing is simple. Okay, so you'll be placed in a lucky draw system, and yes, to be eligible you must need to hold at least 10 USD. Okay, and then you will be selected for the lucky draw, and based on your luck you will be getting corresponding shares, and your shares will determine how much token you will be getting. Okay, and that is what written here. Okay, so I just summarized the whole stuff, and these are the note. Okay, the previous rule where non-baby users were guaranteed to receive 3 shares of startup airdrop has been abolished in this upgrade. Okay, after the upgrade, non-baby users with spot assets of no less than $10 can directly participate and receive airdrops if they win. Okay, and another thing is all existing subscription share rules for VIP users remain unchanged, and they are eligible to receive the airdrop with 100% guarantee. Okay, so obviously the higher the VIP level, the more shares you are getting. Okay, and yeah, non-VIP users will be placed in a lucky draw system, and new rules take effect from August 25th, and currently we're at uh, December. Okay, we're at 26th December, so we don't need to worry about this rule anymore. Okay, so it is already applicable to us. I guess you guys have understood that. And where any discrepancy arises between the translated versions and the English version shall prevail. Okay, so obviously follow only the English version, and Gator reserves all rights to the final expression. Definitely, if they want to change anything, they can. They have that power. And here you can see the startup update, increased allocations of airdrop shares. Okay, you can see the chart. Okay, this is so simple. Previously, for baby free airdrop, those who are the non-baby users, they were placed in a lucky draw system. Similarly, which is right now, it is also happening. And from baby one, they only get around 10 shares only. But after the update, they will be getting 20 shares. Okay, and sign T 1993. Yes, you are happy. I'm also happy. And yeah, here you can see the huge change. Okay, so from baby 10 to baby 16, previously you can only get around 1500 shares, but after the update you can actually get around 8000 shares. Okay, that is huge. That is huge. And here you can see the for prime you can actually purchase 5 shares if you're a non-baby users, and from baby one you are actually getting you can actually purchase more shares. Okay, these are the maximum cap. Okay, and the maximum cap is 8000 for baby 10 to baby 16 users. Okay, and here is the idea of pre-order. Okay, so Obviously, your VIP level should be at 3 and at least you need to hold 100 GT. Okay, so that you can actually participate or purchase pre-order or you can do pre-order. Okay, here you can see the allocated share system. It is pretty much same with the others. Okay, compared to the others. So here are some notes. Okay, the updated allocated shares of different baby levels will be applicable to all starter projects that start subscription after July 12th. Okay, so including baby pre-airdrops, pre-order, and prime. And right now it is December. Okay, so definitely it is applicable. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. So here you can see where in discrepancy. Okay, we have read that. And this event is not affiliated with Apple Inc. Users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services, okay, including the participation in this event, game, or competition. So obviously, see the user agreement carefully and find out everything on everything on restricted locations. Okay, so we have covered so far everything here. Okay, and yeah, one thing is left. Okay, so let's go to the industry sonic. Okay, this is the project we have rebuild everything on. Okay, so here you can see an option like invite and earn. Okay, so if you just simply click on it, if you just simply click on it, it will take you to a interface like that, startup referral carnival. Okay, so that is one of the best thing Gato startup have provided. Okay, so basically uh, this referral carnival is like you will actually get your own invitation link. Okay, just click on invite now and you'll find out your own invitation link. Okay, so just copy it and share it with your friends and family. Okay, so if they join the startup programs or join Gate.io through your link, definitely you'll be getting stars. Okay, in return you'll be getting stars in return. And yes, there are criterias like your invitee should have the trading volume of around 1000 plus. Okay, so here are the three simple steps like invite friends, earn stars, and swap stars for shares. Okay, so it is pretty simple. And here's the short fact. Okay, so what is Startup Star? Startup Star is the exclusive reward of startup which can be used to swap extra shares of VIP free airdrop. Okay, so every 10 shares can swap one share of one share with a cap of 40,000 stars in a day. Okay, I mean in a project, in a particular project you can actually uh, convert or only 40,000 stars. Okay, so that you are getting only 4,000 shares for a particular project. And how to earn startup stars? Just invite your friends. Okay, invite your friends and family, and if they trade, okay, and their trading volume increases further, definitely you will be getting stars. Okay, so here you can see the trading volume equals to spot volume plus 40% of futures volume. Okay, and how to show up startup stars? Okay, so just go to the shop now and you will be redirected to that page. And yeah, from there you can easily swap your stars for corresponding shares. And I have mentioned, I have presented the thing here. Okay, baby stuff here. Okay, I mean that one. So how much share you can actually claim? And can I receive startup stars every day? Definitely. And can I claim both the VIP default shares or startup vouchers and the startup star swapping shares? Definitely. And is there a valid period for startup stars? Startup stars are always valid. Okay. And Janvi says, "Hi friend, welcome to the stream." And yeah, good morning. And here is the little details on how many startup stars can I earn by inviting friends. So if you're inviting, and if you see if you see your invite is trading volume is less than 1000, okay, you are not getting any stars. But if you see your invite is trading volume is greater than 1.6 million, yeah, at most you are getting 6000 stars. Okay, and is yes, if you divide it by 10, definitely you'll be getting 600 shares. Okay, so and yes, you can actually swap 600 shares for any ongoing VIP free airdrops. Okay, so it is so easy, it is simple, and just go to that page. Okay, where you will find that page. So just click on back, and it will take you to that corresponding project. Okay, so you'll be finding your projects, okay, your favorite projects. Just click on that invite and earn more, and it will redirect you to that page, startup profile carnival. And from invite now option, just click on it and you'll find your own invitation link and share it with your friends and family. And if you are an influencer, definitely you can share it with your followers. Yes, and you can earn stars, and you can swap stars for shares, corresponding shares. And yes, you know what? After if you are getting shares, you'll be getting tokens as well. And Janvi, thank you, thanks a lot, thanks a lot. Thanks for joining to the stream. Okay, so and you are one of my old viewers. I know. I acknowledge that. And one thing I haven't covered yet. Okay, so the ongoing startup events. Okay, the ongoing startup events. Here you can see currently these are the ongoing startup projects. Okay, you can see the EO stablecoin, Luffy, Industry Sonic, which we have reviewed today. Okay, we revealed everything, everything on INSN. Okay, and here you can see O.bot. Okay, Clayton, and Game by Virtuals, Tone Tycoon, Tavera. Okay, so these are the ongoing projects, startup projects. And here's the other thing is like startup mining. Okay, so it is also interesting. Okay, so basically you will find pools. Okay, pools of different coins. Okay, and based on that coin, if you are staking that, and you'll be getting corresponding coins. Like here you can stake GT, I mean Gateway token. And yes, by staking it, you'll be getting corresponding island token. And yeah, you can also stake island and can get corresponding island token as well. And Wing Chun donated around for $0.48. Thanks a lot, Wing Chun. Thanks a lot. And yeah, it means a lot. It means a lot. God bless you, brother. God bless you. And yes, I'll be counting that as a Christmas gift. Okay. And yeah, this is you there is no limitation like that you can only stake GT or the corresponding token. Yes, here are the other options like USDT. You can also stake Ethereum. Okay, so it is one of the easiest way to earn. Okay, just by stacking, it is one of the easiest one. And yes, the best one is there. Okay, you can find it, the startup task. Okay, so just click on the join now, you'll find a lot of tasks, and these are tasks, these are the tasks which are super easy. Okay, you can see this by inviting friends you'll be getting 600 entries. And there are a lot of other tasks like download Gateway app, follow Gateway on Gateway moments, just visit one of the live stream and watch one of them. and visit Gateway Moments page. So just you can complete these tasks in 5 minutes, okay, in just 5 minutes. And yeah, you'll be getting corresponding entries, okay. So based on the entries, you'll be getting tokens from a startup task, okay. So this is the easiest one I'll be saying on the ongoing startup events, okay. So that's it. We have covered so many things today. So let's summarize the things. Okay. First of all, we introduced the project. Okay. Our today's project, that industry sonic. Okay. And later we talked about what is Gateway startup and how you can actually, and how the things are working here, okay. And after that we discussed how you can actually participate in Gateway startup. So this is basically the tutorial, okay. Then we went to the official announcement of Industry Sonic, and we discussed thoroughly and presented everything in a broader sense, okay. So we visited the token contract address, and then we visited the official website, and we have discovered everything there. And we had late after that we have read the white paper also. And yes, this project is has so much potential, okay. And yes, it is also promising one, and I'll be supporting that. Definitely I'll be supporting that. And after that, we read the startup new rules and VIP offerings. Okay, so yes, that's what we have covered today. And yes, at the end, we shared the referral carnival link. And yes, how you can get yours one. And yes, you can actually share your uh, Stars Carnival link with your friends and family and others. Okay, basically, you can earn from just by inviting also. It is also the option here, okay. And we have discussed ongoing startup events as well at the end. And that's it, I guess. It's a perfect project review session, I guess. And yeah, so that is that is it, guys. And yes, thanks for joining to the stream, and those who are watching the stream from the beginning, have my warmest welcome, okay. And yes, make sure to follow, guys. And in case you don't know, I actually conduct regular streams, and I do market analysis on the current trend, okay. So make sure to follow me. And yes, we will meet on my upcoming market analysis sessions, okay. So you all are welcome there, okay. And definitely we'll be meeting again. So see you soon, guys. And